when I was a freshman, I got the opportunity to participate in the camps to guide and encourage high school students in exploring different faculties. And as the way of helping them finding their future university study, a considerable number of students expressed interest in Faculty of Education. And at this event, the students who expressed interest in particular faculties were invited to sit in circles arranged by the staff. Naturally, the Faculty of Education also attract the interest of students. The seniors start by introducing themselves along with their specific fields of study, and I did the same. When I introducing myself like I am the student studying in elementary education, their looks upon me were confusion and emptiness. And what exactly asking, what is the difference about and what is about Faculty of Education in the major elementary education? And so, what do students in elementary education study? In this program, we take a fundamental classes across various subjects, and some professors even describe us as being like มนุษย์เป็ด Why? Because we can do everything, but we are not deeply specialized in any particular areas. And I think in English, we use the word generalist, or somebody says we are like jacks of all trades and the master of none. And what is the meaning of these two words? Generalist, in these terms, often has a positive or neutral connotations describing someone who has a processes in the various subjects, but are not many subjects and have many advantages being a generalist in this term has a positive or neutral connotations that describing someone who possesses a various subjects or a varied knowledge and adapt them across the different areas or different domains. And the phrase jacks of all trades, the master of none. This is the phrase that can be seen as a criticism of someone who has many knowledges but like deep mastery in a single areas. And what's the meaning of these two words? And yes, somebody think that being a generalist is a weakness, since achieving success at work needs a deep expertise in specific fields. But have we forgotten that today the world is constantly changing? New knowledge and new technologies are continually entering in our lives, and the world never stands still. And if you see in another perspectives of being a generalist, as being as an ordinary person, it can be seen as a strength as well. And what is the meaning and what is the advantages of being a generalist? Because they understand the whole picture, they are always ready to adapt. In some confessions, certain processes, outsiders find it hard to understand, limiting and communications to specialists. But precisely in generalists who can access as being someone who possesses effective intermediately because they have wide ranges of understanding. It helps them see overall workflow, and it can make them bridge across the different. It can make them bridge and communications across the different domains. And the next advantages of being a generalist is because they know broadly, they can see the big picture. While the specialists need depth deep into the details, but generalists, it's different. The generalists are always see over the system, always see over the processes. And this is only two advantages among of being a generalist. And I will say, let's remember it. Being a generalist is not late. It is about worst times. It is about resilience. It is about thriving the world that never stops changing. And I will say, your strength is your breath. And I will say that you are the generalist. You are not slaves. You are the connector. You are the one who can see what others cannot. And I will say, shine with your own light and be proud of the dignity that comes with being a generalist. Okay, thank you.